Hey, coffee lovers! Ever wondered how your favorite brew became a global sensation? Let's unravel the captivating story of Starbucks in just 2 minutes. Grab your cup, it's time for a flavorful journey. Back in 1971, three coffee enthusiasts, Jerry, Zev, and Gordon, opened the first Starbucks in Seattle. It was just a tiny spot, but they had a big dream: to bring amazing coffee to everyone. Meet the Starbucks Mermaid. She's not just a logo, she's the symbol of top-notch coffee. Inspired by an ancient Norse design, she lured people in with the promise of something special inside. Fast forward to the 80s. Starbucks wasn't just a local secret anymore. By 1987, they had 17 stores and people everywhere were buzzing about their fantastic coffee. Picture this, the 80s, the birth of the espresso era. Starbucks introduced handcrafted espresso drinks, making every sip an experience. Coffee was no longer just a drink, it was an adventure. Jump to the 90s. Starbucks brought the Frappuccino into the spotlight, a sweet, icy delight. It became a cool companion for coffee lovers everywhere, especially in warm weather. In the late 90s, Starbucks set sail globally. Japan, the UK, and beyond, the green siren was conquering taste buds worldwide. People couldn't get enough. Fast forward to the 21st century, Starbucks kept evolving. Mobile ordering, pumpkin spice latte mania, and a commitment to sustainability became part of the Starbucks charm. Today, Starbucks is not just a coffee shop, it's an experience. With Reserve Roasteries, they're taking coffee to a whole new level. From a tiny store in Seattle to a worldwide sensation, that's the Starbucks magic. So, whether you're sipping a latte at the original spot in Seattle or enjoying a frappe across the globe, know that your cup holds more than coffee, it holds a piece of Starbucks history. Cheers to the joy of coffee!